Hi everyone, welcome back in my channel. How to learn English speaking. Those they want to speak, those they are able to read the books, able to write English, but they are unable to speak. So how they can start speaking? So simple and easy step. So starting itself, do not try to form long sentences, big sentences. Try to form in small sentences. So definitely you will be able to speak. And the more problem, while those they want to speak, जो बोलना चाहते हैं, सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है, they used to get hesitate lot. So due to hesitation, they are unable to speak in front of people. So they used to think, okay, tomorrow I will start. Achha, that time I will start. I will go that place with them. I will talk. When to start? Where to start? How can I start? So many questions arises in mind. So very easily you can overcome. So whatever I am going to explain in this video. So what you have to do, first you have to be mentally ready. Do not hesitate in front of people while you are going to speak with them or outside market or anywhere you are going. So first try to form a small sentences. A small sentences you have to form. Don't go to form very big sentences. So what you have to do, like this, वहाँ जाओ. So like this you can form go there. यहाँ बैठो. Sit here. So like this form small sentences. पानी गर्म है. Water is hot. पानी गुनगुना है. Water is warm. चाय बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म है. Tea is too hot. चाय पीने लायक है. So tea is fairly hot. So like this you have to form small sentences. And what you have to do, main thing is, where you will get this whatsoever I am explaining these small sentences, from where you can make. So I have explained in a previous video. Those if you are having that books, grammar books, from there you can see if you are having grammar books. Otherwise, how to translate into English by R.P. Sinha. If you have brought this book, you have purchased this book, nearby bookstore you can visit, or online amazon.com. It is available. It is quite cheap book, hardly 150 or 200 price is there for this book, and it will be your lifetime investment. You can read it, and afterwards those they want to acquire knowledge from this book, they can acquire. And 42 43 chapter total, there are 52 chapter. So in which 42 43 and some more chapter is there, where you will get the small sentences. Hindi they have written, and they have written in front of Hindi, they have written English also, like this. So easily you can remember. One more thing regarding speaking. So previous video I explained, you should having habit of listening. If you are good listener means, previously I mentioned, so you should listen daily 1 hour podcast. English news channel you can listen, English podcast you can listen. So you should keep listening habit. And those they are at initial stage, they are not able to understand. And one more thing I told you, try to listen the British channel, try to listen the American news channel and other podcasts. So they used to pronounce correctly, because English is not Indian language, it is British language. English is. So it will be very useful for you, and right pronunciation, right tone you will get, and you will be able to understand that thing, and it will help you lot in future. So like this, if you want to start speaking, what you have to do, take a notebook, take one notebook, write it down a small sentences like this. Go there, come here, and whatsoever daily life you are doing from morning to evening, morning to night, try to in front of object, whatsoever object you are having, to try to translate it. that will be useful. Like this, if your mother is preparing something in your home, so like this, mummy, what are you preparing? Mummy, what are you cooking? If she is cooking food, so write it down in your notebook. So what recipe you are preparing? Today I want to eat cauliflower sabji and with chapati I want to eat. After that, like the small sentences, where is my pen, where is my notebook, I am going to take bath. After that, I'll go to college, I'll go to a school. After coming from a school, I want to eat chicken rice. So like these small sentences, try to form it and try to remember it. Small sentences, sometimes little big sentences, all it will come. All over it comes under the small sentences. So like this, what you have to do? You have to write it first. Write it where? In notebook. Got it? First step is try to write it. Second, you have to record. Record it. Where you will record it? Take your mobile phone, start recording, and whatsoever you learn, on whatsoever you want to say, whatsoever you want to speak in English, so hold like this mobile phone and start speaking whatsoever. My name is Ravi. Today I woke up at 6 a.m. morning. So I cleaned my teeth. I went outside for walking. After coming, I took bath. So I am going to college. Then what, mama, you are preparing this thing, that thing, like this. So many things will come in front of whatsoever you are able to watch, in front of your eye object you are able to watch. Any room is there, so what object is there in front of you? If TV is there, okay, TV is on, TV is off, tap is on, you are going to bathroom, tap is off. So like this, try to form in small sentences, try to write it and try to repeat it, memorize it. So repetition is very important. And after recording in mobile phone, whatsoever you told, 10 minutes daily, keep habit of speaking in front of mobile phone. 10 minutes daily, try to speak it and try to listen it. Try to listen it daily and try to increase the sentences. Today you spoke 10 sentences, so tomorrow try to speak 12 sentences. Then day by day try to increase, make it 12, 13, 15, 18, 20, 25, 50, like this. You keep on increasing. So whatsoever daily you are learning, so try to keep it practicing. How much you will practice, that much you will become perfect, and you day by day you will be confident and you will be able to speak English. So you won't have hesitation. So many people, they used to hesitate a lot in front of when they used to go outside. So you will not feel any hesitation. Go outside. If you are going to buy something in shops, so easily just you ask, I want to buy this thing, I want to buy matchbox, please give me 2 kg of sugar, please give me 1 kg of onion. If you are going to vegetable market, to try to speak. Don't think what people will say, what people will think. And some grammar mistake also you are doing while speaking. So ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं सोचना. Do not think anything. Just keep on talking, keep on speaking. So first you have to overcome your hesitation. जो भी hesitation है ना, उससे आपको बाहर निकलना है. Once you will come outside, so everything will be normal, everything will be perfect. So you want to speak English, so try to keep habit of listening also. Listening. Those they are at initial stage, to try to listen kids channel, kids cartoon channel, kids cartoon channel, kids cartoon channel like PE, Peppa Pig. One cartoon channel is there, that is British cartoon channel, that try to watch in YouTube. It is available. So there it is family conversation. Mother is there, father is there, Peppa is there, and Peppa brother is there. So normally whatsoever family they used to talk, so there they are speaking they are talking in small sentences. So what used to happen, simple example I am going to give you, how that people, whatever your mother tongue is there, Bengali, Hindi, Urdu, Marathi, Chinese, French, Japanese, anything. So when you born, so whatever first time they spoke whatever their native language is there, maybe Hindi, beta kaisa hai, kya kar raha hai, ro mat beta. First word you heard, first sentences you heard. After listening, continuous listening, after 1.5 year, after 2 year, you became habitual, whatsoever they told. And when you started speaking, that time also your father or your mother always they are calling, they are telling to teach you in a small sentence. Beta, yahan mat baitho, do not sit here, go there, do not drink it, do not cry, do not fight. So parents they are forming small sentences and they are telling in small sentences. तो starting में बच्चा small sentences सीखना चालू करता है, फिर धीरे धीरे वो big sentences सीखना चालू करता है. तो starting they used to learn small sentences, slowly they used to learn big sentences. So same thing, same process you have to follow. And this whatever I told you na, this thing you keep following 30 days regularly. 30 days you do it regularly. What you have to do? You have to listen it, listening habit, daily 1 hour you have to do. Daily try to writing habit, you should write at least half an hour daily. Try to read it, newspaper or anything, half an hour. Try to keep habit of speaking. So your tongue twisting will be comfortable, it will be flexible, your tongue will be flexible. And after that try to speak whatsoever I told you. So daily try to give at least 2.5 hour or 3 hour daily in your English, and 30 days you do this practice. After 30 days you will see lots of improvement and lots of changes, and within 30 days you will be able to speak in front of other people without hesitation, and you will be very comfortable and you will be very happy.